Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Roston Chase stroked his second Test century as West Indies put in a strong batting performance to close day one of the second Test against Pakistan. This at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on 286 for 6. Chase finished the day unbeaten on 131 with 17 fours and has shared in an unbroken 132-run seventh wicket stand with captain Jason Holder, who has 58. The West Indies, electing to bat with an unchanged team, were wobbling at 37 for 3 with Craig Brathwaite 9, Shimron Hetmeyer 1 and Shea Hope all falling cheaply. Chase and opener Kieron Powell 38 added 65 for the fourth wicket, as well as 57 with wicketkeeper Shane Dorridge. For the sixth wicket, he contributed 29. Pacers Mohammad Abbas and Mohammad Amir have both claimed 2 wickets apiece. Pakistan made one change from their winning team at Sabina Park with leg spinner Shadab Khan replacing pacer Waib Rise. The Pakistanis also lead the three-match series 1-0 after a 7-wicket win in the first Test.